Taxes.
Taxes?
Taxes.
Cheers. All right, let's do it.
We don't want to pick winners and losers. We want to unrig this tax code by letting people keep more of their own paychecks, more of their own hard-earned money. The whole purpose of this is to give middle-income taxpayers a tax cut to reduce people's taxes. If you're in the 10% bracket, more of your money is going to be in the 0% bracket. If you're in the 15% bracket, you're going to be in the 12% bracket. This is about lowering people's tax rates. This is about getting people to be able to keep more money in their own paychecks.
It said we're going to give, as a country, about $1.5 trillion away to the biggest corporations and to billionaires. And there will be some temporary tax cuts elsewhere, but basically, we're going to kind of raise taxes on a lot of working families.
The tax cut reduced the marginal rates for families and individuals. So if you're a taxpayer just about anywhere in the country, your taxes went down.
We ran on doing this as Republicans, and we won our majority running on doing this. So we have a promise to keep.
Prior to the tax cut, the corporate rate in the United States was 35%. That was the highest in the developed world. What that meant is we saw companies moving overseas, taking jobs overseas. When we have jobs fleeing America and going to other countries because their tax rates are so much lower, that is bad for young people. Well, the tax cut took that from 35% all the way down to 21%. What that means for young people is that you have more job opportunities.
You keep your money and you decide what you want to do with it. If you want to get a mortgage and deduct that, you can do that. But if you want to just have a bigger deduction, you can do that as well.
Your taxes may go down a little bit, but one of the consequences of this bill is that we're not putting the same kind of support into health care coverage. And that means, for example, for a lot of people, their health insurance payments are going to go up. And if your health insurance payments go up more than your taxes went down, you didn't end up in such a good place.
Look, it's still way too complicated. So, for example, we simplified the tax code a lot. We doubled the standard deduction from $12,000 a couple to $24,000 a couple. What that means is next year, 90% of taxpayers, you'll fill out your taxes on a postcard. Now, personally, I'd rather that be 100%.